First of all, I would like to say good morning everyone. Today I'm very appreciated to the presentation and our topic is about favorite room. And now, please welcome to the first presenter is Vat Bormi.
Thank you teacher and everyone. First of all I would like to say good morning teacher and everyone. I'm Vat Bormi. I study English in level beginner with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro organization. Today I'm glad to do the presentation and my topic is about living room. Living room is the room in a house or apartment that is used for relaxing and entertaining guests, but not usually for eating. There are a lot of things in the living room such as 2 sofas, 2 armchairs, 2 lamps, a table, a vase, a teapot, some glasses, some flowers, a TV, an air conditioner, some CDs, some pictures, some photos, some books, some magazines, some newspapers, a fridge and an aquarium. I like living room because it's the only one place in the house that we can meet, relax, and discuss together. That's all about living room. Thank you.
Thank you Vat Bormi. Please welcome to the second presenter is Sreyoun.
Thank you teacher and everyone. First of all I would like to say good afternoon teacher and everyone. I'm Sreyoun. I study English in level beginner with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro organization. Today I'm glad to do the presentation and my topic is about bedroom. Bedroom is a room used for sleeping in our house. There are a lot of things in my bedroom such as a bed, a blanket, 2 pillows, a mosquito net, 2 lamps, an alarm clock, a curtain, a towel, a TV, some CDs, some books, some pens, a ruler, some bags, some clothes, some shoes, some socks, some photos, some pictures, a closet, a mirror, a comb, a brush, a fan, a carpet, a door and a window. I like bedroom because it's my own room. I can relax, do homework, listen to music and watch TV. That's all about bedroom. Thank you.
Thank you Sreyoun. Please welcome to the third presenter is Sreyoun.
Thank you teacher and everyone. First of all I would like to say good evening teacher and everyone. I'm Sreyoun. I study English in level beginner with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro organization. Today I'm glad to do the presentation and my topic is about kitchen. Kitchen is a room where food is kept, prepared and cooked and where the dishes are washed. There are a lot of things in the kitchen such as some dishes, some chopsticks, some pans, some chairs, a big table, 2 lamps, a fridge, some cooks, some vegetables, some fruit, some groceries, some salt, some meat, some spoons, some forks, some knives, some cheese, some bowls, 2 fans, some glasses, some frying pans, and some plates. I like kitchen because it's a funny place in my house. I can help my mom cook and I can eat food there also. That's all about kitchen. Thank you.
Thank you Sreyoun. Please welcome to the last presenter is Sreyoun.
Thank you teacher and everyone. First of all I would like to say good afternoon teacher and everyone. I'm Sreyoun. I study English in level beginner with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro organization. Today I'm glad to do the presentation and my topic is about bathroom. Bathroom is a room with a bath, a shower and often a toilet. There are a lot of things such as a mirror, a bath, a shower, a toilet, a towel, some soap, some shampoo, some toothpaste, some toothbrushes, some toilet paper, a bucket, a sink, some combs, some brushes, a hair dryer, a bar soap, some liquid soap, some bathrobes, some slippers, some clothes, some shower gel, a hair flattener, and a plunger. I like bathroom because I can have a shower or I can take a bath there. I can wash my clothes or I go to the toilet also. That's all about bathroom. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.